Recipe: Classic American apple pie. Apple pie is a quintessential American dessert, loved for its buttery crust and sweet tart apple filling. This recipe will guide you through making a traditional apple pie from scratch. Ingredients: for the crust, 2 cups 315 g all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, 1 cup to 30 g unsalted butter, chilled and cubed, 68 tablespoons ice water. For the filling, 67 medium Granny Smith or Honeycrisp apples, peeled, cored, and sliced. Cup 150 g granulated sugar. Cup 55 g light brown sugar packed. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. For the topping, 1 egg, beaten for egg wash. 1 tablespoon granulated sugar optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the crust in a large bowl. Mix the flour, salt, and sugar. Add the chilled butter cubes and cut them into the flour using a pastry cutter or fork until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing until the dough begins to clump together. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts, shape into discs, wrap in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. 2. Prepare the filling in a large bowl. Toss the sliced apples with sugar, brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon juice. Set aside to let the flavors meld. 3. Assemble the pie. Preheat your oven to 375 F190 C. Roll out 1 dough disc on a floured surface to fit a 9-inch pie dish. Carefully transfer it to the dish, letting the edges hang over. Pour the apple mixture into the crust and dot with butter pieces. Roll out the second dough disc and place it over the filling. Trim the edges, seal, and crimp the crust. Cut a few slits in the top to allow steam to escape. Brush the top crust with beaten egg and sprinkle with sugar, if desired. 4. Bake the pie. Place the pie on a baking sheet to catch any drips. And bake for 5060 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the filling is bubbly. If the crust browns too quickly, cover the edges with foil. 5. Cool and serve. Let the pie cool on a wire rack for at least 2 hours to allow the filling to set. Serve warm or at room temperature with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. Enjoy your delicious homemade apple pie.